Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see the demo Cloud Compressor part 2 demo. We have already uploaded the part 1 video. If you have not seen my Cloud Compressor part 1 demo, you have to watch that video. Then only you need to watch this video so that you can understand it easily. Yes, let's discuss it right now. So this is the home page. First what we have to do means we need to view that cloud composer environment which we have already created. Actually it will take 20 minutes, so that's what I am putting this second video. So go to the cloud composer and here you can see the name the composer hyphen advanced name. This is our environment name, composer cloud composer environment name, and here you can see the environment which is running. Okay, the central location is us hyphen central 1, creation time it is showing like that. Okay, let's now go to the home page dashboard. So if you are seeing here, there are 3 storage bucket created and 1 BigQuery, 1 data set it has been created under the BigQuery, and 3 instance has been created under the compute instance. So let's go to that compute instance and you can verify it also. Just for crash double checking, just I'm showing these things only, no need to worry about this. So if you are seeing, the 3 instance has been created in this zone us central 1-c, so it will be created in the Kubernetes engine only. Okay, so next what I'm going to do means I'm going to check in cloud storage bucket. So next I'm going to check in cloud storage bucket. Go to the cloud storage, 3 buckets will be created. This one is Compressor advanced, it will automatically created. These 2 buckets which we have created, one is US and one is Europe, so which was we have created. Okay, fine. Next we will see to that data set under the BigQuery. We need to go to the big data and here you can see the BigQuery which we have created already, dataset, one dataset which we have created. So let me open this NOEC TOEC, this one we have created it. Okay, dataset we have created. Then what I need to do means we need to go to next step. So that one is a Google Kubernetes Engine cluster ID. Okay, fine. The environment detail page provides information such as Airflow Web UI URL and Google Kubernetes Engine cluster ID, name of the cloud storage bucket connected to the DAGs folder. So first I need to click this one also, friends. I forgot to show that one also. Let's check that one. Under the big data, just go to the Compressor and here you can click this under this name you can view this information, cluster GKE cluster ID, and everything, the detail will be here. So in this environment configuration you can see the Airflow web UI, and you can see that name, location, created, updated, like that we can see. Node count and disk size default 100, and machine type N1 standard. So like that it is showing. Okay, next what I need to do means now we are going to the next step. We are going to create the virtual environment. So first we need to execute the command to download and update the package list. So go to that activate to cloud shell, open the activate to cloud shell. It is provisioning our Google Cloud Shell machine. It is connecting right now. Let's wait for it. Then we need to run few commands. We need to execute few commands for creating the virtual environment. So this is our Cloud Shell. You have to watch carefully, friends, so that you can understand it. So sudo apt-get visit http://cloud.google.com shell help for more information. It is running right now. Yes, we got this. And next we need to run Python virtual environments are used to isolate package installation from the system. So we need to run this command, sudo apt-get install virtual environment. So we are running apt-get inside of Cloud Shell. Note that our Cloud Shell mission is ephemeral and no system-wide change will persist beyond session end. We need to put yes here. Let's wait for it. It is running now. It is processing, setting it. Okay, fine. Next we need to run the virtual environment. This command we have to run this. So enter this command, virtual environment -p and Python version and virtual environment. We need to run this command, and after that we need to activate the virtual environment by using this command, source vnv bin activate. Is fine. Now we have, if we are seeing, previously it was into that my GCP Cloud Shell, but here after entering this command it is automatically changed to environment. It is in env like that. Okay, then we have done this step. Next what we are going to do means we are going to setting DAGs cloud storage bucket. In Cloud Shell we need to run the following to copy the name of the DAGs bucket from our environment details page and set a variable to refer to the Cloud Shell. So make sure to replace our DAGs bucket name in the following command. Navigate to navigation menu storage. It will be similar to your central one -compressor advance your bucket name. Okay, so let's copy this. You will be using the variable few minutes. Okay, so just enter this command. Let me put clear so that it will come top. So now I am entering this command. So before entering this we need to edit this bucket name, your central one -advanced. So we need to update the bucket DAG bucket, DAG bucket name. So go to that cloud storage. So go to the cloud storage, click the cloud storage bucket. Here we have the bucket name. Just click the bucket here and we need to copy this bucket name. So path has been copied successfully. So we need to enter the bucket name here, US central compressor advanced this bucket name. Just enter this command. Now we have successfully done this. And next we need to setting airflow variables. So airflow variables are an airflow specific concept that is distinct from environment variables. In this step we are going to set the following three airflow variables used by the DAG. We will deploy table list file path, GCS source bucket and GCS destination bucket. So first, key value details. Table list file path, it is coming like values home, airflow, GCS, DAX, VQ copy EU to US sample.csv. Details, the CSV file listing source and target tables including dataset. Next one is GCS source bucket. So we need to give the bucket name -us and cloud storage bucket to use for exploring BigQuery table destination buckets from source. Next one is last one, GCS destination bucket. This one is unique ID. I mean we need to give the bucket ID -eu cloud storage bucket to use for importing BigQuery tables at destination. Next we are going to run these commands. So here they are given the syntax like that. So next gcloud compressor command executes the airflow CLI sub command variables. The sub command passes the arguments to the gcloud command line 2. To set the three variables, we will run the compressor command once for each row from the above table. The form of the command is this. So environment name is the name of the environment. Location, it is a compute engine region where the environment is located. And key and value, specify the variable and it is value to set include a space to dash a space between the left side gcloud command with gcloud related arguments. Okay friends, next what we are going to do means we are going to run these commands. Just copy paste. Okay, so first we need to copy this command and go here, enter this command, and here what I need to do means I need to delete this bucket name delete this bucket name. I need to go to that my bucket name, source bucket name is us only. So just we need to type this bucket name. I am typing like my bucket name hyphen us. This is our source bucket name. We need to give the source bucket name. Just enter this. It is asking authorize. Just click authorize right now. Let's wait for it. Cube config entry generated for US Central 1 Compressor Advanced, executing within the following Kubernetes cluster namespace Compressor 1-16-10 Airflow 1 to 10.15 is coming like that, executing. Let's wait for it. Likewise we need to do it for remaining two buckets also. Okay, for checking to the variables, command is deprecated and removed in airflow 2.0. Please use the variables list instead. Now what I am going to do means I am going to see the value of the variable by running the airflow CLI subcommand variables with the get argument. So that's what I'm going to use this command. For example, we need to run the following command. Just copy this and go here and paste it, and here just enter this command. You can see that after entering this command the bucket name will show like 588296-us. so if you are seeing, you can see that one cube config entry generated for US Central 1. It will show like our source bucket name. We have already entered it, right? 588296-us. Just we are verifying it only. This is for verification purpose. We are running this gcloud compressor environments run, and compressor advanced lab, that one is our environment name, and location we are giving. Then get gcs source bucket. If you are seeing 5w296, it is our source bucket name. Yes, we have done this one. Second, what we need to do means we need to run the same command. But here what I am going to do means I am going to change a few things. For example, here we need to give designation, dest designation. Bucket name, we need to give the bucket name as eu. So 5w296 hyphen eu, it is our designation bucket name. gcs dest, so we need to give correctly or else it will throw some error. Just enter the command. Let's wait for it. Cube config entry generated for US Central 1 Compressor, executing within the following Kubernetes cluster namespace. So it is running right now, it is executing right now. Let's wait for it, friends. Yes, it came now. Then same only we need to run. Instead of here we need to put designation dest. Now what will be the output means the output will be 5w296-eu. it will come like that only. Let's wait, let's check it, friends. The designation bucket will be shown right now. Let's wait for it. The variables command is deprecated and removed in airflow 2.0. please use this variable list instead. After that we will get that bucket name 5w296-eu. right, sounds good. We got that. And likewise we need to run one more command, one more also. So here instead of that we need to use this one. So where I am copying means this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. Likewise we need to copy this key, and we are going to modify the same command only. So let me put clear, then only it will come to top. Just put clear and enter the command. Sorry, yes, same command. Set we need to put first. So here the same only, and after the variables here we need to replace with this table id. So we need to replace this key. After that we need to give the value. So just I am going to replace that one also. Just go to this and copy this value from this document and remove this one value and enter this value right now. So G Cloud Compressor environment run Compressor advanced lab, that one is our environment name and location. We need to give variable set table, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, so then after that we have to give enter. Now we have to enter the command, same only what we are doing, I mean what we have done already. Cube config entry generated for US central one compressor and executing. Yeah, now the same command only we need to use for get. So just for verification we are running this command. So here what I'm going to do means I'm going to delete this, I need to give the key. So just copy this and paste it here itself. Then enter the home airflow, it will come now, home airflow GCS DAGs bg config, copy that path, I mean it will come right now. Let's wait for it friends, the value it will come now. Let's wait for it. Yes, we are seeing it is coming now, home airflow GCS DAGs BQ copy EU to US sample CSV. Then we need to move to next step. Now what we are going to do means we are going to upload the DAG and dependencies to cloud storage. So copy the Google Cloud Platform docs samples files into your Cloud Shell. Just copy this and go to Cloud Shell. Just enter this command cd and gsutil -m, copy -r, then bucket name we have given that this one is a Python docs samples. So just enter this command. We are copying the Google Cloud Python docs samples files into our Cloud Shell. Okay, next what we are going to do means we are going to upload a copy of the third-party hook and operator to the plugins folder of our Compressor DAGs cloud storage bucket. So copy this one command and go to that Cloud Shell. So now the operation completed. Okay, let me put clear. Then we need to enter this command, we have to enter this command. So copy this and go to that Cloud Shell. So remove this, I mean I have wrongly pasted. So gsutil cp python docs samples third party Apache Airflow plugins. So just enter this command. It is copying, the file is copying, operation has been completed right now, 6 objects. Okay, then next we need to upload the DAG and config file to the DAGs cloud storage bucket for our environment. So we need to run this command. Now just copy this gsutil. Yes, the operation has been completed, one objects, over one objects. So then gsutil, okay, EU2, okay. So 2 commands we need to run, across location and EU2 use. Okay, fine. So now we have done the operation completed right now. Then Cloud Compressor register the DAG in our Airflow environment automatically, and DAG changes occur within 3 to 5 minutes. We can see the task status in the Airflow web interface and confirm the DAG is not scheduled as per the settings. So we have to access the Airflow web interface by using the Cloud Console. We need to go to the Compressor environment page, and in the Airflow web server column for the environment, click the Airflow link. So I am going to Compressor, Cloud Compressor. Here just go to the Cloud Compressor. Under the big data we have Cloud Compressor. So go to the Cloud Compressor, and here we need to give the click the Airflow. Just click this Airflow, it will open the new window. Now it will open the new window. It is asking my mail, so I am giving my mail ID. I am selecting my mail ID. Then what is the next step? Yeah, the Airflow web UI opens in new browser window. Data will be still loading when we get here. We can continue with this demo while this is happening. Okay, then what we have to do means viewing the variable. The variables we set earlier are persisted in our environment. We can view the variables by selecting admin variables from the Airflow menu bar. So we are going to do these things, friends. So if you are seeing here, it came now. This is the window we have opened. So if you are seeing here airflow, just click this airflow here, just click variables, just click the variables. See here, whatever key and value we have added, it is coming here. We can delete it also later. We can delete after the demo. We need to delete this one also. GCS destination bucket, source bucket, and table list file path, that one is a key, and value 5AA296 EU US home airflow GCS sample CSV. Fine. So next, trigger the DAG to run manually. Click on the DAG tab and wait for the links to finish loading. To trigger the DAG manually, click the play button for compressor sample BQ, copy across location. Click trigger to confirm this location. Okay, we are going to follow these steps. So go to the tag here, go to the airflow page, just click the DAGs, DAGs, and here we need to click this our compressor sample, copy across locations. I'm sorry friends. So go to the DAGs. So here if you are seeing play button, we have triggered up. Just click this play button, then it will ask like that. To access configuration in our DAG, use this tag run.conf, then click trigger. So we need to do like that only. It is loading now. It is running right now. Triggered compressor sample BQ across. It should start any moment now. Any moment now. Fine. So next what we are going to do means we are going to exploring DAX runs. When we upload our DAG file to the DAX folder in cloud storage, cloud compressor parses the file. If no errors are found, the name of the workflow appears in the DAG listing, and the workflow is queued to run immediately if its schedule conditions are met. In this case, none as per the settings. The DAG run status turns green once the play button is pressed. So it will show like the diagrams is it's coming like a green color only running. Then click the name of the DAG to open the DAG details page. The page includes a graphical representation of workload task and dependencies. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to click that compressor sample BQ, and now if you are seeing tree view, you can see like a start and end we have, and we can see this green tips 2015 and 2014, like that we can see. This is the tree view. This is the tree view, and in the toolbar we have the graphic view also. We can click this graphic view. You can see the graphic view also friends. You can see the start and end. We have the graphic view also. Now the toolbar, click graphic view, then mouse over the graphic for the each task to see its status. Note that the border around each task also indicates the status: green border it is running, red is failed, etc. Okay, now what I'm going, just we can select this one. You can see task ID, it is coming, and run status. Operator is Google Cloud Storage to Google Cloud Storage operator started, and timing, the state is running, it's showing like that. To run the workflow again from the graph view. Okay, fine. So validate the results. So now what I'm going to do means I'm going to validate the results by go to that BigQuery. Go to the BigQuery. Go to the BigQuery. Under the big data, we can see two tables will be added in the data set which we have created. So go to the BigQuery here. Go to the BigQuery here. With this data set we have added, but inside the data set two tables will be added. You can see friends, two tables will be added. Let's click refresh right now. I think it will take some time. That's what it's running, I guess. Okay, we are doing fast. So it is showing like running only. Okay, Just go to the home page, just click it again, come to the BigQuery. Okay, node contents are loading. It shows like contents are loading only. Let's wait for it, friends. Definitely it will come, no need to worry about it, but it will take some time only. After completing this demo, we need to delete each and everything so that they won't charge it. Okay, so before going to this, just go to the cloud storage. Here you can see, friends, previously we have created only empty bucket only. Inside the bucket the data will be copied here. If you are seeing this, the data will be copied. Okay, likewise you can see in the destination bucket also the data will be loaded. And one more thing I need to explain it. So for example, we are clicking this one, and here we have the tree view, and here we have the graphic view. So for graphic view we can we have the start also. Again we can click the start, and here we have the run and clear, like that we have. So for example, I can clear this one also. After that I can run it again. So just click clear right now, and it will say, it will ask something like that. Okay, just click OK. It is asking okay, then we can start it again. So again I can run this, like that we can. Fine. Okay, friends, so after doing this we need to delete the entire thing. So how to delete this means, so go to the DAGs again, go to the DAGs. So before going to that, let me check the data set under the BigQuery. Let me check the data set whether we have the table has been created or not. Yes, see friends, 2014 and 2015 it has been created successfully. We can in the 2014 see here pickup date time, drop off time, store and forward flag rate code, pickup like longitude, latitude, drop off longitude, latitude, passenger count, how many passenger, and trip distance, fare amount, total amount, payment type, distance between service, entire thing about the trips we can see about the 2014 2015. It was already, it is in Python code only. We have done these things, we have run this BigQuery. Yeah, so pick up datetime, rate code, latitude, longitude, trip distance, trip amount, distance between, payment type. You can see these tables, friends, and you can, if you want, we can query also. We can put like a select star table name, like that we can put, and we can view the information. So let me, like that we can put that one. Okay, fine, we can run queries also. So now what I am going to do means, we came to the end right now. Now what we need to do means, we have completed the demo, copy two tables programmatically from US to EU. Now we have done this lab. We need to delete each and everything, friends. So just select this data set and delete this one. Let me delete one by one. So just give this information, delete. delete. Deleted right now. And go to that I'm sorry, here I forgot to say, here also we can delete this one. So here if we are seeing under the DAGs, so here we have in admin we have the variables, right? We can delete this one. So just click this delete, just delete this record. So like that we can play. I'm deleting this record. Are you sure want to delete? Just I want to tell you only, so we can delete it directly also, no need to choose file. We have import variables, like that, so many things we have, friends. Then we have done that one, and I'm going to the home page. So here we have 3 compute engine, storage and BigQuery dataset. So now go to that cloud compressor under the big data. Go to the cloud compressor under the big data. We need to delete the environment first. Go to the cloud compressor. We need to delete this environment. It will take some time. Delete this environment and go to the cloud storage bucket. Go to the cloud storage bucket. Where is the cloud storage bucket? Yeah, go to the cloud storage bucket. Here we need to select delete. After that, I am saying one by one, so that so it will not occur. The charges they won't. Then we need to go to the persistent disk also, friends. Definitely the persistent disk, it will be created under the disk. It will be created, right? 2 GB default it is created. So 100 GB, 100 GB, 100 GB. Okay, just select all and delete this one. Actually this 2 GB only it will come, friends. Okay, only 2 GB only it will come. These 3, after deleting that environment, automatically it will be deleted. Okay, so I am selecting all and delete. Yeah, I am not able to delete it. Okay, just select delete. Go to the cloud compressor. So we have successfully deleted everything, friends. So you have to check. First you have to check the cloud compressor, and we have to go to the cloud storage bucket, and we need to delete the cloud storage buckets, and we need to delete the data set under the big query, and finally we need to delete that disks also. Okay, so we need to check in the dashboard. No need to worry. After deleting everything, you can cross verify this under this dashboard. Here you can verify under the resources. Actually it will take some time, friends, so we need to wait for it, and it will be deleted. If you are having any issues in this, if you are getting any error, or if you are getting any issues, you can paste that error in the in that comments. Then I will try to reply your comments. Thanks a lot, friends. We are done with our lab today. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.